Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Mitsubishi Outlander hood. First, you'll need to locate the interior hood release lever. This lever is usually found on the driver's side, often in the footwell area, close to the door, or beneath the dashboard. Give it a firm pull towards you. You should hear a clear click, indicating that the primary latch has been released. This is the first of two steps to safely access your engine bay. Once you've pulled the interior release, head to the front of your Outlander. The hood will be slightly ajar, but still secured by a secondary safety latch. This latch is typically located underneath the front edge of the hood, often centered near the Mitsubishi emblem. Carefully slide your fingers into the gap and feel for a small lever. Push this lever either to the left or upward to fully disengage the safety mechanism. Now that both latches are released, you can gently lift the hood. Mitsubishi Outlanders typically use a manual prop rod to keep the hood open, rather than hydraulic struts. Look for this metal rod clipped to the underside of the hood. Carefully unclip it and extend it. Then, securely insert the end of the rod into the designated hole or slot on the underside of the hood. This ensures the hood remains safely open while you work. When you are finished, it's time to close the hood. First, carefully remove the prop rod from its support hole and secure it back into its clip on the underside of the hood. Next, gently lower the hood until it is approximately 30 centimeters, or about 12 inches, above the closed position. Then, simply release it, allowing its own weight to firmly latch it shut. Avoid pressing down hard, as this can cause dents.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.